Hello friends, today let's start with the next tutorial on advanced Java, which is set in Java. In case you want to learn my previous tutorial, which is ArrayList, linked list, vector or stack, which is list in Java, then I will give the link in description and you can refer that. Now let's start with set in Java. Set is of different type, which is HashSet, linked set, TreeSet. Now what is set? Set is similar to list, but it does not allow duplicate values. So in case you want to maintain unique values, for example dictionary, so you use set in that case. Now one of the interview question is what is the difference between different hash sets. So one is we have hash set, it contain unique elements. Well, every set contain unique elements. The other difference is hash set allow null value, linked hash set also allow null value, but tree set does not allow null value. Next, what is the main difference between set, linked HashSet and TreeSet? HashSet does not maintain insertion order, which is correct. Linked HashSet maintains the insertion order because it has a linked list. So first element contains the address of next element. This is how you can remember it. Next, TreeSet. It maintains the insertion in ascending order. Let's learn this one by one. First, you have HashSet, string similar to ArrayList, object name equal to new HashSet. Now HashSet.add, I will add A, B, D, C. Now let me iterate it. Let's run this. HashSet does not maintain insertion order. It will give you undesired result, which is out of order. See here, I have inserted A, B, D, C. It is giving any random value. Next, if I try to add B again, B is already inserted. If I try to insert B again, it should not be inserted because HashSet maintains unique elements. That's correct. Now, next is linked HashSet. Linked HashSet maintains insertion order. So the order should be exactly same. I will use linked HashSet here. It should maintain the order. Let's run this. Indeed, A, B, D, C. Next we have TreeSet. So TreeSet is ascending order. It should be A, B, C, D if I'll print it. Let's run this. Indeed, it is maintaining the order. What was one difference? TreeSet does not allow null value. If I'll add null, then what will happen? I will run this. It is giving exception. Whereas if I had HashSet and I try to insert null in HashSet, it is allowing one null value as well. So let's again see this. HashSet contain unique elements. That is true. If I tried to insert B 2 times, but it was only inserted 1 time, it allows null value. We have seen it does not maintain order. Order will be random. Correct. Next, linked HashSet. It will maintain the order and it will also allow null value. Next, TreeSet. It maintains ascending order, which we have confirmed. It does not allow null value, and we have seen it is giving runtime exception. Well, this is all on set. I hope you like the session. Do like and subscribe for more updates.